Savar's Toy View. Welcome to Savar's Toy View. In today's vlog, I will play with this new Picasso toy.
What is this? It's a Picasso Tiles. Yeah, it's a magnetic tiles. Like you can play.
We can make with this magnet.
Yeah.
Listen how much pieces it has. 33 pieces.
Wow.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Look, it has squares and this triangle. Now you wanna open this?
Yeah, you wanna open and see what is inside?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Oh no! The wrong way.
Oh.
I'm so silly. silly Philly. Wow.
Oh, do you know the colors?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
This is an orange triangle. This is a blue triangle. This is a blue square. This is a yellow square. And this is a green square. And this is a red square.
So let's see what kind of how you gonna make rocket on this.
This is
Okay.
easy, I think. You just make like some squares.
Oh, I still don't get it. How you gonna make it? Let's make it. No.
Have the wings.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay. Yeah.
One wing,
Now it, yeah.
wing, three wing. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Here's another one.
Yes. Okay. Oh wow, that really looks rocket. What you wanna do?
I want to blast it off.
You wanna blast the rocket? Okay, let's start it. Count again. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
And blast off!
Oh. Okay.
This is the moon.
Oh.
That's the moon.
Okay. Okay, what you think? That's very good. You make it. Okay. So what is the next thing you think? What is the next thing you can make it with this?
A box.
Okay, let's see how you can.
You want to punch it?
Okay, you can punch it. This.
3, 2, 1, and blast off.
Okay.
Blast off.
Okay.
Oh my God! Look at this. I punched. 3, 2, 1. You're gonna do it a second.
You don't wanna build box on a top?
I'm making it right here.
Or you are making an over there?
3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, go.
Okay.
And you wanna look at the inside?
Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. That's very good. Wow. That's very good box. Okay. And what you think you can make with this? Okay. So you are making this. Yeah. You
I
are.
don't have a red color.
Yeah. You can put it in another color too if you want it.
Okay. Now let's just put this on top. And let's just put it down.
Oh, let me see. Wow. Let me see. Let's see, guys. Did he match it with this thing? Let's see. Okay. Let me put it like
Don't
this.
broke it.
No, I'm not gonna break it. Yeah. You made a good job. What are you making?
A ramp.
Ramp? Okay. Let's see how you're gonna make a ramp. Because I don't get it how you make a ramp on that.
Yeah. You're right, guys. I can't. Oh, I can make it.
Oh, wow. Yes, you made it. Yes, okay. Let me see
Where's
here.
the car?
Let me see here. This side. Okay. Oh, that's a nice ramp. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Wow. Yeah. This is a nice ramp. You are right.
Where's the car?
Car? Which car? I don't have car. Do you have car?
No.
But then what do we need to make a ramp for?
Just kidding. They have a car.
Yeah, okay.
And do you know?
Uh-huh. Okay, so what you gonna do with this ramp on a car with?
Just slide it, you know.
Okay.
Do you want?
Oh.
Oh, it looks like a fast car.
Yeah,
Green.
okay.
Oh.
I think you are putting in the middle. You need to put it on side so that way. Yeah, okay. Oh, see?
It almost fell. My dad catched it.
Yeah, it's almost fell, yeah.
Backwards.
Yeah, okay. You think it's gonna work on that one? Oh, wow, it falls. Again, it fell off.
Let's see. I'm gonna do a challenge.
What is that? Okay. It's not gonna go. That's so,
Magnetic.
it's a magnet. It's gonna stick there.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up and share love. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.